Hello buddy, in this video we are going to set up our domain name server in the Google Cloud. So after adding the domain in the control panel, we need to set up our DNS in the Google Cloud so we can access our domain and run our website. Alright, so copy the domain which we have added in our control panel and go to the Google Cloud console. Open the Google Cloud DNS by clicking on Cloud DNS under the networking section, and next click on Create Zones. On this page, select the zone type public, which is by default selected, and write the zone name. You can give it name anything, so I'm going to fill ABC. Next, paste your domain name in the DNS name field and then click on Create button. Next, on this page we need to add record, so click on the Add Record Set button, and on this field write www without any space. In the IPv4 address, we will need to enter our virtual machine IP address. So copy the IP address and paste it here. Remove HTTP and click on Create button. Again, click on the Add Record Set, and now leave this field blank. Paste the IP address again in this field. Now to access subdomains, we will need to add these subdomains in our Google Cloud DNS. If you don't have subdomains, just skip this step. Otherwise, if you have subdomains, then follow these steps. So again click on Add Set Record. Here on this field, just write the subdomain name. So I'm going to copy this subdomain name from control panel. And paste it here without any space. Then also copy the virtual machine IP address and paste it here. And then click on Create button. Now do the same thing with another subdomains. Now we need to configure name server in our domain registrar. Here I want to say something. Basically every domain registrar have different user interface. For example, the user interface of GoDaddy is different and the user interface of Namecheap is different. But the working is the same of all domain registrar. So you will need to research a little bit about your registrar. There are thousands of videos and articles for how you can configure name server or domain name server on GoDaddy or Namecheap or Bluehost. Now I am using free domain which is provided by Freenom. You can also use it for practicing purpose. I am going to log in here with email and password. After that, choose your domain which you have added in your control panel. So after that, go to the name server section. Open Google Cloud DNS zone and click on Registrar Setup. Copy all the name server and paste it into your domain registrar name server section. And then save it. After that, wait for few time and open your domain link. So as you can see, our domain name and control panel has been connected. You can read this Centora message. But the subdomain is not working. Now we need to restart our server. So open your Google Cloud Console and click on SSH. Go to the root section and enter the command reboot. Then press enter. Now it will take few seconds to restart. So after restart, again open your subdomain. So as you can see, subdomain is working fine. You can log in using your username and password. So I think it is enough for this video. Thanks for watching as always. See you in the next video with new topic.